सांचे public awareness about it.
Why not? I mean, whatever it is, we go as per the rules and regulations of the court, whatever the court has suggested. And I welcome the judgment of the High Court because many times they have said that we should use the approach of rationalization. The court has also upheld the act brought under 39A. So whatever the court says, we always accept. We have to go by what the judicial suggestions also are. It is not something that always you can say that whatever you're doing either breaks the rules, regulations. There's no harm. You must be very accepted. You must be in a very adoptive manner. You have to look at what the court's view is and go ahead. What's the big thing? I mean, ultimately, court has suggested it has upheld the section. They say to frame new rules and bylaws, and they have given certain framework. They have given certain ideas. It's a very good thing, and we are doing it. We'll go forward. Now, there are people who are become habitual. ज्यांचे विचारधारा वेगळी असू शकतात ते कंटिन्युअसली प्रत्येक विषयाचे दमणार असो डबल ट्रॅकिंग असो प्रत्येक गोष्टीचे ते विरोध करतात त्यांची विचारधारा वेगळी असू शकतात डेव्हलपमेंट ओरिएंटेड अँड प्रोग्रेसिव्ह स्टेट इज समथिंग दॅट वी नीड टू लुक ॲट अँड वी ऑल्सो शुड बी व्हेरी open hearted in welcoming a court judgment and accordingly tweaking and going by the court. If the court judgment also is not acceptable to them, I don't know what to say. I don't want to comment on this. These are all matters pertaining to the law. It is pertaining to the judiciary. It is pertaining to the judgments. These things are best not spoken about. And as a government, we should be open to accept suggestions that are being made.
तुम्ही फुल लिगली करता सर ना तुमच्या फुल लिगली असतले
आम्ही आजपर्यंत सगळं केलं ते लिगलीच केल्या आणि जे कितें लिगली लोकांचे ल्हान जे आवाज आमी दिवपाचो प्रयत्न केलो जे गोंयच्या लोकांक जे रिजनल प्लॅन 2021 तांकां आवाजूच नाशिल्लो त्या लोकां खातीर करपाक पूण तेणी तेज्या खातीर बी एक मोडस ऑपरेंडी दिला रॅशनलायझेशन म्हणजे कोणी एप्लिकेशन केल्यार तेजे कुशीक बी जर एरिया आहा ते बी कन्सिडर करपाक जाय पूण ते सगळे समजून घेवन कायदे अनुसार आमी ते करपाचो ते सरकाराचो प्रयत्न आसतलो
सर कॅबिनेट विषय किती
म्हाका खबर ना बाबा
काय ना
थँक्यू सर